Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy M23 and let me share with you how to enable automatic system updates on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. And now let's enter the software information because we have to localize the build number. It will allow us to actually open the mode, which is usually hidden, and where we can find the option connected to the automatic updates. So here, all we have to do is to simply keep tapping on it until you see that you're in the developer mode. So now we can go back to the general settings and scroll down again, and as you can see right under the About Phone, we've got developer options. And here, after entering, all we have to do is to simply find the auto update system option, and as you can see in my case it is turned off. So in order to turn it on, just tap on the switcher, and since this option is active, then your device will apply the updates when it will be restarted. So basically you do not really need to do it manually. Just remember about restarting your device. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. So actually, this is it. This is how to activate automatic system updates in your Samsung Galaxy M23. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.